an emergency missing child alert, Levi's call, Georgia's Amber Alert. The Long County Sheriff's Office and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a white Chevrolet Equinox. On January the 7th, 2021, Genesis Ciandra Gutierrez Harris, a 7-month-old Hispanic black female, was abducted by Leander Nathaniel Harris, a 23-year-old black male, 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds, and was last seen at 225 OCA Watson Loop, Glenville, Georgia, northbound, and is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Genesis Ciandra Gutierrez Harris or the white Chevrolet Equinox, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS and the C-Send app for iPhone and Android users.